My name is Diego. I'm a jeweler at Gray & Sons, and today we are working on a Bvlgari necklace. We are making an extension for one of our clients that wants to have two ways to use it, like more long and shorter. So we are creating now with the same pattern or links, a piece can be adjustable to the original piece. To start to work on it, I make some drawings about how it will look when I finish the master piece, which is the master model to start to make the links for the necklace. Okay, now that I have the design already in the drawing here, I'm making the piece, the masterpiece, which is silver in this case, to make a mold of it. And I have the link already here in my hand with the same shape like the original. So we have to start to making the molds on this piece. What I'm doing now is cutting the rubber where the master is, to get it out and use the mold to shoot some waxes and start to make the tree for the casting. Building the tree is a crucial part, because when you put the melting gold into the flask, the gold cannot find any sharp edge that can damage the casting itself. So I have to take care of each detail to make it softer when the gold goes in. What I'm doing now is covering the flask with masking tapes in order to when I put the investment in, it keeps it in the place and allowed us to eliminate the air bubbles by vacuum. What I'm doing now is removing the air from inside the investment with a vacuum pump, eliminating any bubble that is still around the pieces. That will provide a perfect casting. After the cooking process that takes 8 hours, we then proceed to melt the gold to pour into the flask. After the metal is settled into the flask, we cool the flask in water to remove the tree from the flask. These cover pieces are individually adjusted one by one and each link in order to keep them together, because it's very important that from now to the end all of them, they are married one each other. They are the perfect size to close the link once I put the connection piece, which is this one. This part could be the most important part in assembling, because once I put the pieces in between them, they have to create a movement to allow the necklace sit on the neck of the women. So it's very important that we get this movement exactly like the original moves. The excitement and fulfillment that I feel in this work is when everything snaps together, and the light, the colors, shapes and flexibility meet in a perfect way to be part of the original piece. It is in that moment when I feel that my expectations are crystallized.